Hello, James Hogan here from Caley Marina, bringing you the best tips and tools to help build the right Pioneer boat for you. On this channel we do Pioneer boat reviews and engine reviews, so you should consider subscribing. Today I thought I'd give the channel a quick overview on a commercial Steady 400 which is heading to a leisure park. Now on this park they have got Pioneer trios, the pedalos that Pioneer do in the range, and so they're doing a bit of safety boat work as well as pond maintenance. This particular customer has gone for the handrails, which is a very good choice for safety and stability. You'll see me talking about that in many of our videos. They've sat it on the new Respo active trailer, which we've started getting involved with for the Pioneer boats. You'll see underneath the hull, as the camera pans over, that it's got lovely support for the whole polyethylene hull, and it makes it really easy for launching, recovery and storage. I quite like the colour of this Steady 400. It's used with Pioneer stabilised polyethylene material, and it's a great choice if you're using it as a rescue boat, as you're nice and seen on the water. These particular customers have gone for a console steer Steady 400. Most of what we do with the Steady 400 is tiller steer, but it just makes it nice and easy for the new boater. You've got your storage locker underneath here where you keep your fuel nice and close to the engine, and the battery and your isolator switch are kept on the outside of the console and just in on the cupboard round the corner. A Yamaha F25. It's got the best power to weight ratio out of all the 25s on the market, and it gives you a cool 20 knots with this boat's performance. A little bit different to some of the other Steadies I've done, we've fitted a turbo swing. Now don't worry, they're not going to be water skiing with a 25 horsepower at the back here, but it is the intention of the park to help skim the weed off the pond, and they've got a pulley system that we felt the turbo swing would be greatly adept for. So that's it in a nutshell, the Steady 400. It's going to serve our commercial customer for many years to come, I'm sure.